Something is happening inside the research and development labs at Samsung, and it's not just another incremental update. For years, we've followed a predictable cycle. A slightly faster chip, a slightly better camera, a slightly brighter screen. But as we move into 2026, the atmosphere has shifted. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't being built as just a smartphone, it's being built as a statement of dominance. It is the first device in nearly a decade where Samsung has reportedly thrown away the playbook to start from scratch. If you've been feeling like mobile tech has hit a plateau, you need to pay very close attention to what's coming, because the S26 Ultra is about to make every current flagship look like a relic from the past. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The story starts with the Medusa project. That's the internal code name for the radical redesign of the S26 Ultra's chassis. For the last few years, the Ultra has been a boxy, sharp-edged monolith. But the leaks coming out of the supply chain in South Korea suggest a total departure. Imagine a body made of grade 5 titanium, but with a new, fluid metal finish that eliminates the seams between the glass and the frame. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about ergonomics. Samsung has finally listened to the thousands of users complaining about the hand fatigue of the S24 and S25. The S26 Ultra is rumored to feature active contour edges, corners that feel soft in the palm but maintain that massive, immersive flat display we love for productivity. But let's talk about the real reason people buy an Ultra, the power. This year, the partnership with Qualcomm has reached a fever pitch. We are looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, but with a twist. Sources say Samsung has secured an exclusive node variant of this chip, built on a 2-nanometer process that shouldn't even exist yet. This isn't just a 10 or 20% jump. We are talking about a generational leap in thermal efficiency. Imagine playing the most demanding AAA console titles on your phone for 3 hours straight, and the device stays cool to the touch. This chip is designed to handle the one thing that is about to change your life: localized artificial intelligence. We've all heard the buzzwords. AI is everywhere. But the S26 Ultra is moving away from the cloud. Up until now, when you asked your phone to translate a voice or edit a photo, that data traveled to a server and back. Not anymore. The S26 Ultra is rumored to house a dedicated neural engine core, so powerful that it handles 90% of AI tasks directly on the device. This means instant response times, total privacy, and features that feel like magic. Imagine a real-time director mode where the AI watches you record a video and automatically adjusts the focus, lighting, and even the acting of the background blur in real time, perfectly mimicking a 35mm Hollywood film camera. And speaking of cameras, this is where the S26 Ultra intends to bury the competition. We've had the 200-megapixel sensor for a while, but the S26 Ultra is reportedly debuting the Hexacell 400-megapixel monster. But don't let the numbers fool you, it's not about the megapixels. It's about the sensor size. Samsung is moving toward a 1-inch type sensor, something previously thought impossible for a phone this thin. This means natural bokeh that no software can fake. This means low-light performance that turns a pitch-black alleyway into a clear, vibrant scene without a hint of grain. The zoom system is also getting a total overhaul. The liquid lens technology